If you accidentally delete TikTok, CapCut, or any other ByteDance app after the US ban from the Apple Store, plenty of Reddit threads and forums will tell you that you're absolutely fucked and you're never getting it back. But I disagree. And here's why. After the ban, I accidentally deleted CapCut. I searched for weeks and weeks and nobody could tell me how to re-get it. Then I put my mind to the test. I tried out something and it worked. If you want something done right, you have to do it yourself. Anyways, here's the method, yo. First things first. Go to the App Store, press the top thing on the right, that's your profile, press your profile, go to country and region. You need to change that shit. Personally, I changed mine to Mexico, but here's the thing. If you press it, and it says you can't change it because you have money in your account, you need to call up Apple customer support, yo. Call them and just say, hey, I'm trying to change my country and region in the App Store, but there's money in that shit. Do you want it? And in my experience, the guy said, actually, I don't think we can take it. Let me look it up. Oh, wait, yes, we can, bitch. He took that shit out of my account, and then I was able to change it. Now, when you're changing it, personally, I picked Mexico. You can pick whatever fucking country you want. You gotta put it like, I put in like a random Mexican address, and then boom, I'm in the Mexican App Store now. If you look it up, oh my god, TikTok and CapCut are back. Try to download it. Fuck you. It's not gonna work. What? Why? Bitch, you need to go to the settings. Go to privacy and security or whatever the fuck. The thing with the hand. Then go to location services. Turn that shit off, bitch. Now that your phone can't tell where the fuck you are, let's go back to the App Store. Look up TikTok, CapCut, Lemonade, whatever the fuck you're trying to download. Try to download it. Holy shit, it's working. Boom, bitch. Thank me later. Hit that subscribe button if it worked. Leave a comment if it didn't. Maybe I can help you out. Either way, thanks for watching. I hope it helped.